In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to sign out of your iCloud account due to restrictions. So in order to fix this issue, we need to head over to the settings app on your phone, and we're going to scroll all the way down and select screen time. From here, scroll down again until you see content and privacy restrictions. Click on this. And right at the top, if you have content and privacy restrictions turned on, you need to make sure this is disabled like so. And once you've disabled this, you can head back over to the main settings page, head back up to your profile picture, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you should now be able to sign out. If that's not working, what we're going to do is head back over to the settings page, scroll back down and select screen time, scroll all the way down to the bottom again, and at the bottom here, you should have an option to disable and turn off your screen time. Now, if you don't have this option available, like I don't, then what we're going to do instead is click turn off app and website activity like so, and then confirm by pressing turn off. Now, like I said, if you have the turn off screen time settings, then you'll be pressing this instead. And once you've disabled this, we can then head back over to the settings page, come back over to our profile, scroll all the way down, and you'll now be able to sign out of your iCloud account. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.